Hi everyone, we're at Sandy Gulls campsite and we've just come out to where the cliff top is and we'll show you the beach. And if I turn you that way, the paraglider coming.
Looks like good fun, that. Look at that.
So we just thought we'd have a walk down here and go on the beach. There's our van here, just over this mound, and we parked it looking out to sea. We got a good view as well. Oh, we've got another one coming over this way again, look.
Wow, look at that. He's ridge soaring. He's picking up lift coming up over the cliff to gain altitude.
That's the rest of the campsite. There's the sea again. Hopefully we'll find the path down to the beach. It's a little trail, a sandy trail that runs along the campsite. Oh, that one's come back again. Oh, it's quite warm around here. Cut through there, that's the dog walk. We'll have a look at that in a minute on the way back. Coming over again. All you can hear is our clomping feet. There's Archie.
It's quite a steep road down.
Yes, it is a steep road down. We've got to get back up it.
Yeah. It looks like fun.
I don't think I'd like it.
No?
No.
I'd love to have a go at that. Purest form of flight. At one with the elements.
We've got a lovely blue sky. Seagulls flying over as well. Nearly there. It's lovely and warm actually, because we're sheltered here. When we get on the beach, I bet we won't be. A nice beach. We've got to make the most of today, because I think we may be having rain tomorrow. Now, which way do we go? Is it down that little path? No, I don't think that's it. Might be this way, I think. Yes. There's a few gnats about. A few gnats buzzing around your heads. Taking off from up there, the paragliders. Got your car along here, look, if you want to. When we pulled up on the campsite, the lady warden came to us and she gave us a magazine and another book about the area, and the magazine tells you all the tide times, which I thought was really helpful, and a little tiny tub with treats in it for Archie and a poo bag. So I thought that was nice, and a pen that says Sandy Gulls campsite on it. We're down on the beach now. It's a bit stony at first. On the flat. Doesn't that look lovely? Blue sky. And the sea. Yeah, some foam as well. And washing up liquid. That's a joke actually. Yeah, it looks beautiful.
always looks nice when the sun's up.
Yeah. Lots of barnacles on here, look.
Yeah, the wooden posts are encrusted in barnacles.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder if that helps them
Stop rotting.
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe.
Certainly having a lot of fun.
I think the guy's done. He's landed on the beach and he's going home. Archie having a sniff.
In that particular post.
A lot of big stones on this beach.
We're now heading up the hill. So,
Yeah, back to the campsite.
Yeah.
And it's quite a hill, isn't it?
So, yeah. We're having to stop.
Now, if we'd have gone down that little trail, you'd have had to get down by there, those little cliffs there.
Oh yeah, slide
and then
down.
Back up. So it's a good job we didn't do it.
You're okay for a mountain goat?
Yes. Archie seems happy. Yes, it's pretty high, look, where we are. Those people down there look very small. I know. It is steep.
I think there's a bench just round the corner.
Yeah, if nobody... Oh, I think we might have lost it, look. Somebody's just sitting on it. Oh dear. Nearly at the top. I think he's puffing a little bit now. Aren't you, Arch?
He is.
Yes, he's a bit hot, aren't you? Needs a drink. I think I do as well. Back at the top. Some caravans up there.
Oh yeah.
On the
top
hill.
of the cliff. Yeah, but they've got a good view.
Right, so we've now found the dog walk.
We're going to have a zoom around.
Yes, so we've let him off lead. Is he zooming? That would be no. This way, Archie.
In his younger days, he'd have been off by now.
Yeah. Now this is quite nice, isn't it, if you want to let them off the lead?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that hawk. He's seen something. A mouse or something.
Ready to pounce.
Yeah. If I can get a bit closer. Yes. Oh, he didn't get anything. The mouse lives another day. Gosh, it is a large field, isn't it? I think it goes up to those caravans up there, look.
Good view of Mundesley from here.
It is a nice view.
There's another pathway here.
Let's look over the edge. Don't you fall, Tony.
Oop.
Don't go too near.
Oh yeah. So that's the road we walked up and down to get to the beach.
Come on then, Archie. Let's go back this way. Oh, that was a little run, Archie. Well done.
Is that it? Is that your lot? If we're more than about 10 metres away, he starts to panic like that and runs after us.
Like a racehorse.
Alright, well, we're coming back onto the campsite from our little walk. Julie's taking photos.
Shall we go and find the facilities while we're here?
The facilities block.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is a beautiful location, isn't it? So through the entrance barrier. Some nice chalets here.
So,
Hiya.
this side.
There's a key code to get in.
Yeah, we've
isn't
not
there?
got the key on us, have we? Key code.
No.
So you've got bins here.
Yeah,
And
recycling.
Glass, recycling, etc.
Okay. That's a map of the site. And we're on pitch 22, which is overlooking the beach. Laundry room. So key coded.
Key coded, so I can't get
I can't remember what the key is.
it. There's a dog wash here,
There's your shower, Archie.
just here, and there's more.
Oh yeah, at the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the chemical waste
Chemical waste, yes.
is back on the site.
Yeah.
But all these static homes are privately owned,
Yes.
so you
So
can't rent them out for
the
hire.
site is in two sections. The static side and the motorhome and caravan side.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the facilities block is on the static caravan side.
Yeah, which is only just across the way, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you know, I just asked her about the site. She said, "Oh no, you can't come and holiday here on the static one because they're all privately owned."
Yes. I mean, this one looks like a house.
Yeah, it's a lovely place for sure.
Mm.
It's very quiet and peaceful, isn't it?
It
And
is.
it is adult only.
Yes, adult only.
The motorhome service point is just here.
Where we fill up with water.
Yeah. And then you've got the chemical waste just here, the Elson point, wastewater, drinking water,
Yeah.
and a fire point. Now they do provide a hose.
Yes.
And when
Real.
and when we arrived, we were trying to plug ours in with the hose lock, our food, what do you call it? So, and she says, "Why can't you use that one?" And I says, "Well, we've got a food." Anyway, she thought we were a bit odd, I think.
Well, we've never seen.
No, because usually
real
when
ones.
you go onto a campsite, you have to provide your own hose
Yes.
pipe, don't you? There's not one there.
Exactly.
Oh, they're going fine, going look.
Yeah, it's taken off again.
Yeah.
Paraglider.
So we come around here. There's lots of spaces, look, and they're all hard standing now. There is, I think you can park up the other end on the grass, but it's a bit hilly up there, isn't it? He's off on his paraglider again.
Hey, watch our motorhome.
Yeah, don't land on it. Wow.
Excellent.
Now, we have put our motorhome on levelling blocks for the first time.
Yes, we've
Very
christened.
first time to try and level it up a bit because it's a bit slow. Look at the state of the motorhome. I don't think you can see that. But on the way here, we had sun, we had cloud, we had rain, we had hail, didn't we? It was terrible coming.
All seasons.
And then when we got here, it was beautiful blue skies and sunshine.
Yeah,
I think we're very lucky, aren't we?
we are. Hopefully it will continue.
Yes. Let's hope it doesn't rain because it is the forecast, isn't it?
So they say.
Sleeping Beauty.